I'm Wes Smuts with the agency and welcome to 13 Bawden Street in Berserker. This 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom cottage has a couple of surprises up its sleeve. And behind this fence, you will find a fully fenced, separate block, ideal for some relaxation or just some room to spread your wings. On this flat block with side access, you'll find a veggie garden, a large shed, and a chicken coop. Whether you're looking for a great investment or Berserker or a property you can put your own stamp on, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts, for more information.